If you want to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without using a computer, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a new ESign Certificate method for 2026 that allows you to sign and install apps directly on your device. No PC required. Before we start, just a quick note. This tutorial is intended for educational purposes, and you should only install apps that you own or have permission to use. So keep that in mind while following this guide. Alright, let's dive into it. First, open Safari and go to applejr.net. Once the page loads, scroll down until you find the section for ESign installation. I've updated a new ESign certificate that you can use to install ESign on your iPhone or iPad. You need to install applejr.dns to avoid Revoke. Click Install button and click Allow. Then install the profile by going to Settings. Hit Profile Downloaded and click Install. Once downloaded, go back to applejr website and you can now continue the ESign installation. Simply tap Newest ESign Install button, then tap on it to start the installation. After a few seconds, you should see the ESign app icon appear on your home screen. Now, if you try to open the ESign app, you may see a message that says Untrusted Developer. To verify the developer, open Settings on your device. Then go to General, VPN, and Device Management. Tap on the profile, then tap Trust. Once the certificate is trusted, you can go back to your home screen and open ESign without any errors. That means it's successfully trusted and ready to use. So the next part is, we need to import a certificate into ESign. Go back to applejr website again. Then tap on Search section. At the top of the list, you'll see available certificates. Always choose a certificate from the top list and click Download button. Wait the download process. Once downloaded, now open ESign again. Click 3 dots on the right corner and hit Import. Now, import the certificate that you downloaded earlier. Once imported successfully, hit the zip files and unzip. Inside the folder, hit the P12 files and select Import Certificate Management. And insert the password is applejr.net. Once certificate imported successfully, you can now install IPA files without computer. Hit 3 dots on the right corner again and hit Import. Then select the IPA files that want to install, and it will automatically import it. Once the IPA is imported, go to the Apps tab, tap the app icon, and then tap Signature to start signing the app. Once the installation is complete, the app will appear on your home screen, ready to open. And that's it. You now know how to install ESign on your iPhone or iPad in 2026. Completely no computer, no jailbreak. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.